In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM for beginners. Let's start on the HubSpot homepage. Once you sign in, you'll land on a dashboard that surfaces recent activity, quick links, and helpful prompts. Take a moment to notice the main navigation at the top. This is your compass. It's how you'll move between core tools without getting lost. Now head into Contacts. This is where individual people live in your CRM. You'll see a list you can search, sort, and filter. Click any record to open the preview panel and review key properties like lifecycle stage, contact owner, and last activity. Tip: customize your columns so the details you care about, such as phone, company, or last engagement, are visible at a glance. Next, open companies. These are the organizations associated with your contacts. Company records help you roll up activity and deals to an account level. Make sure each company has a clean domain and that relevant contacts are associated, so emails, notes, and meetings are properly connected. Accurate associations keep your reporting trustworthy. Move over to Deals. Here you'll manage your pipeline. Switch between list and board views to see deals by stage, amount, and close date. Consistently updating deal stages and amounts helps leaders forecast and helps you prioritize next steps. If you use multiple pipelines, verify you're in the correct one before making changes. Head into Marketing Emails. This section houses drafts, scheduled messages, and past sends. You can review status, subject lines, and basic performance once emails go out. Permissions may vary by subscription, so if you can't edit or publish, you can still analyze and learn what's resonating. Open segments to build targeted audiences. Segments, often powered by lists and filters, let you group contacts based on attributes and behavior. Think industry, life cycle stage, or recent engagement. These update dynamically as data changes, so your audiences stay fresh. Always respect consent and unsubscribe preferences when planning outreach. Now click Sales Workspace. This consolidates your daily sales tools, tasks, calls, emails, and key records, so you can operate from one screen. Consider tailoring views, pinning your most used lists, and keeping tasks organized to maintain momentum. Next, visit Automation Overview. This gives you a snapshot of workflows driving emails, property updates, and internal notifications. You'll see what's on, what's paused, and where errors might need attention. Even if you're not building workflows yet, understanding what runs in the background prevents surprises. Finally, open more to access additional options. Depending on where you are, this can include importing or exporting records, managing views, or other advanced actions. Before bulk changes, double-check filters and consider exporting a backup. That's your guided pass through HubSpot's essentials. Explore confidently, keep data clean, and let the CRM do the heavy lifting.